Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the lecture of Primavera P6. My name is Sabir Shafi. I'm a planning engineer and ex-assistant professor. So without much ado, let's start the lecture. Primavera P6 is a very important software when it comes to project management. There are certain other softwares like it, Microsoft Project, Synchro from Bentley, Smart Construction from Hexagon, and even your simple Excel sheet can do certain parts of it. But due to the dynamics, due to the versatility and automation of Primavera P6, it makes it unique, and it's being used widely throughout the world in different kinds of projects. As it's a well-known fact that every project has its unique nature. So projects from different sectors like infrastructure, like oil and gas, like IT, like airlines, etc. can use this software for their project management. In order to understand Primavera P6 software, we have to understand certain basic terminology of project management. So while moving along this course, when we'll do the practical sessions of this course using the software directly in order to make you understand, I'm going to discuss certain terms of project management. Keep your mind open, keep your common sense open, and understand those terms commonly and clearly. If you have any kind of question in those terms, you can ask me anytime. So Primavera P6 is a software of scheduling, planning, monitoring, and controlling. In any kind of project, what are the two most important things? The first one is that project should be completed on time, and the second one is within budget. My dear friends, remember these two terms. That's on time and within budget. Because this is the reason why we use Primavera software. I told you already that this is a software used for scheduling, planning, monitoring, and controlling. Why do we do all these four things? In order to complete our project on time and within budget. When we do these two things, it can be said that our project is successful. So without much ado, let me tell you the simple definition of Primavera P6 and then we can discuss it further. So Primavera is a project, cost, time, and resource management tool. As already discussed with you, the two important components, time and cost. So this software basically collaborates the cost, time, and resources all together and gives us easy go for any kind of project. It has certain advantages like it has a central database, which is the most important part. It increases its efficiency, it increases its consistency, it increases its repeatability, thus decreasing the funds or decreasing the loss of any organization and increasing the money profits of any organization.